Oh shit. I told her, hey, you guys not here?
First sentence.
What?
Oh, you playing, bro?
Oh, you watching? Alright, that's not bad.
See,
Yeah,
can they play 3 against 6?
Huh?
Can they play 3 against 6? If their team's not here? Oh, you gotta start 6, alright. Yeah, y'all gotta start 6. Come on, we out here. Daniel all the way in New York.
Yeah. What's your team out there?
What's the honest space?
Boy, you got 5 minutes to warm up and 10 minutes. Wait, so, yeah. If you lose that first game, you got 10 minutes for that second game. So. Better call them fast. Yeah. Hey, what the hell?
Where's the station? Oh, man. You should What about it?
Oh, right now? Oh shit. Wait. We need you, bro.
You need 5 people. I think
1,
it's
2, 3.
Only need 6.
Oh.
Damn it.